So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if Gemini is not editing your images. Instead, it is replying in a text format. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the Gemini. For example, this is the Gemini. Now, if I ask him to edit my photo, or for example, let's say generate a image of a man standing on moon. Now, if I just simply send this prompt, it will not directly generate the image. Now, in order to get the image generation or editing an image, you must need to click on this option of create image right there. That is the Nano Banana feature, or just simply click on this option of tools right there, and here you'll see find this option of create images. Just simply click over there. Now, once you send this particular prompt, it will take some time, it will take some seconds, and you can see here as well that it is loading a Nano Banana, and it will generate the image for you or edit your images as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.